And next step in front, you squat. Totally down. No, don't sit down. Don't sit down. Half. Can you feel the pain? Now go in front and sit down. When you are sitting down, you are relaxing. Turn back. Same 4 steps. From sitting to standing. You are still sitting. See, notice that in this one exercise, we can stretch ankle, knees, thighs, hips. And also giving resistance. After this, I'll teach you what is resistance exercise. Okay, one step up. Hold on. This is an exercise for your willpower also. One more step up. Don't lose your hope. Do it. And one more step up. Hold on. And next step, come up.